Hey guys, what's up? It's me, Eros. Welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to be playing Don't Press the Button 4. Oh, this time we're doing get to the other side. See it right here. See this? Yeah, it's easy. Press easy. Yeah. What is this? I'm not drinking it. I'm just gonna see. Whoa! Seriously, let me get one. Let me drink it. How to drink it? How to drink this thing? Nothing. Oh! It gives other powers? Oh! Oh, I can jump super high. This will help you win. All the other things. Whatever. Oh! Oh shit, the pumpkin monster. Don't go here. You never escape. 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 No! No! Momo! Oh shit! Oh. Guys, make sure to hit that like and subscribe button to help me win. No, Taba. Today. No! Yo! 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 No! No! And actually, the title is I don't know. The title is playing Press the button to the end. Don't press the button or you die. Yes, I think so. What the because I haven't put in the title yet. You know. Yeah. Yeah. Oh, this way. Oh, this way. There. Rolling. Where is it rolling? I keep dying. Wait, somebody has one. I mean, a lot of them have one. What the? Where are these snowballs actually? Oh! So you know them by the red thingies. Okay. Where are the red thingies? Red circles? The snowball is coming on the red circles. That's how you recognize them. No! I was almost there on the red circle. No! No! That's a big circle! Nope. Oh. I was in the red circle, but I survived. Woo! That scared me. Oh, okay. Eat, eat, eat! What? I didn't touch it. I'm not gonna put the replay because I don't want to. Oh, you better. Get on the green pad. Oh. Yeah, swing! Red pad, red pad, red pad, red pad. Yellow. Ooh, ooh, ooh. Green pad, green pad, green pad. No! Come on. You can do this, what WDYM. I actually don't know the full form of WDYM. Oh, okay. Fight! Da, 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 da. Go! I'm gonna go! No! What the hell? Oh, what the? How the hell? Oh, this here. Let's see. Ah, I have to see. Oh, that is good. Thanks. Yay! Okay. Woo! How did I do that? Wait. Wait. Okay, 3, 2, 1. Oh. Okay. What's this? Actually, this is not bad. This is here. Oh, wait. What is this then? This is so beautiful. Wait. There's 30 seconds left. Ah. Uh-oh. Maybe here? What was it? Oh, shit. Oh, shit. Where are they? Uh-oh. 3, 2, 1. No! What? Bitch. What do you mean, chosen? Easy job. What? Oh shit. Snowballs. Snowball alert! Snowball alert! What is it now? Green? Oh, wait. I'll spin. Okay. Please be good. Give me a weapon. 50 coins. What does that mean? And what's Rody? Is that a name? That's not a name. That's not a name. Oh. Ah. I mean, since 4 gear. Hold on. Yeah. 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 Whoa. Oh, there's a lot of electricity there. Oh. Ah. How many more? See. Only 2 gears left. How do I know? Professional. I didn't know it was coming. I said, run! Who the hell did that? Oh God. Orange, it's orange. It was orange. Yellow. Where's yellow? Yellow! I can't find yellow. Back. Oh! Green! Blue! No! Ow! Yeah. Ow! Hey! It's red! Ah! Green! That's it. Oh! Another time. Okay. Ah! What's that? Ah! What's it? Holding. Oh! Oh. Go. Missing. What? Excellent. What's this one? One. Okay, go. So close to the ice. I have a jacket on. Ooh. Yay! Oh, 15 minutes has been. I'm gonna end the video. Bye guys.